I know. You don't need to tell me. You are struggling to get good photos of your tattoos with one of these. I know. I did also. However, in this video, I'm going to be giving you a little secret to getting a better photo on your iPhone. What is poppin', people? And welcome back to a very, very short video today. And I really need to stop wearing black because it does not look good on camera. Now, for the most part, I am always using a mirrorless camera to take my tattoo photos. However, that is just because I am fortunate enough to own a mirrorless camera. You know, I do YouTube and it just works that I can use this camera also to take photos. But sometimes I'm a dick and I forget to bring my memory card. I generally take it out the camera, stick it in my PC, transfer the photos, and then just leave it sat there in my PC, and I forget to put it back in. So then I come to take a photo, I can't take a photo because there's no memory card, and I have to fall back on my iPhone. Now, contrary to popular belief, these are good enough, trust me. Like, I've done a video on taking photos before, and I said in that one that these are good enough, and they really are good enough. They will get the job done. But I know what you're thinking. But my pictures never look how my tattoo looks. Well, allow me to elaborate. So when it comes to taking a photo, different focal lengths offer a varied amount of distortion. So if you're taking a photo at, say, 15 or 16 mil, you will have a lot more distortion on that photo than you would if you took the very same photo at 70 mil. And this is one of the big problems when it comes to iPhone and taking photos with smartphones in general. Your camera's focal length is generally on that wider end. It's generally on that 16mm to 24mm. So at those focal lengths, you are going to be getting that distortion. That distortion is going to be in your photos. So what you want to be doing when it comes to taking a photo on your iPhone is you want to be zooming in to 35mm, which on iPhone, I think is around a 1.3 times zoom. 35mm offers the most natural looking photo that you can get. Well, between 35 and 50mm. If you can take your photos within those focal ranges, your photos are going to look a lot better. If your photo is not looking good, it is more than likely always due to the wider angle and that distortion. But you don't notice it, you don't pick up on it, but there's just something there, and it's generally that. Now, I highly doubt it's going to be a problem for most, but if your tattoo is filling the frame of your camera at 35mm, then all you will need to do is step back slightly. That way you get the focal length of 35mm, you don't get the distortion, but you get the tattoo framed how you are used to framing your tattoos. Because I know we're all perfectionists and we all want our Instagram grids to look a certain way. If you have the ability on your smartphone, I would also increase the aperture to at least 3 to 3.5. That way you know you are going to get that whole tattoo in focus. But guys, that is all for today. Told you it was just a quick video. If you are new around here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I have a Patreon, the link is in the description if you want any extra benefits and access to a Discord server. You can click that and sign up to one of the tiers. But guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.